Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about 5 tips for choosing the furniture and getting it right. Decorating and furnishing a new house is a stage that is lived with great enthusiasm, but the lack of practice carrying out these tasks could make you feel exhausted. Therefore, we want to give you these tips what will make you hit the target at first time. We have all imagined the house of our dream, but the reality is that when facing the choice of furniture for your home, getting a specific style completely adapted to your need and your lifestyle can be quite complicated. The sofa you like is too big for your living room and you need more storage, or it just goes out to your budget. First of all, design. Before you start looking for furniture, you have to stop and start to think about your true style, the one that goes with your personality and also with the way of life. Getting carried away with the fashion or buying a precipitously with make you quickly and tired of what you buy, and given that is not a small investment, you will have to live with the bad choice for quite some time. To find out what your style is, the first thing you will have to do is get inspired. If you look something you like, keep that image. And second thing is functionality. It is a frequent mistake when furnishing your house doing what everyone does. The living room has a sofa, television, dining table and chair. However, what you should do first of all is stop to think what about how you make use of your house. If you always eat in kitchen or away from home, it is really necessary to allocate half a living room to dining area that you use twice a year. Analyze well what activities you develop in the area to be furnished and how many hours you decide to each one. Scale and proportions take a mere. It is virtually important to look for suitable furniture in size and proportion to space in which they will be located. You may have fallen in love with your friend's sofa and want an equal one, but does it fill it with your mini lounge and harmony? Next thing you have to take care about is harmony. The furniture must harmonize with the type of space in which they are located. This means that you must take into account the color of floor, what of the walls or particularities that the ceiling may have. If in your case you have a neutral space with sofa and light tones and continuous floor or wood, you can combine style and color without fear. Avoid the rush. Try not to get carried away by impulse purchases or haste when it comes to furnishing your home. Both being clear about your style and your need, such as analyzing price, material, qualities, takes time. To rush is to risk buying something that doesn't fit well with measurement, style, or function. So select what you like best and meditate on the idea for a few days. Related to that, you can ask me anything in comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting and must subscribe my YouTube channel.